Hello everyone and welcome back to my summer series. This is episode 4 and this time we're making summer pizza. My mum recently bought a pizza oven and it is our absolute favourite thing now. We use it on a weekly basis, if not more. It's wood fired, so makes the dough really fluffy and gives it a really nice smoky flavour. Highly recommend. However, if you don't have a pizza oven, as we didn't a few months ago, you can absolutely make this in a regular oven and it will still be delicious, I promise. Just whack it on the highest temperature and get it in the oven as hot as you possibly can. This recipe anyway is really more about the toppings. So I've taken a recipe from The Perfect Loaf, who I swear by for anything sourdough. Absolutely love him, highly recommend checking his blog out. But I've cheated by adding some instant yeast, which I'm sure is a really big no-no, but what can I say? I just wanted to get pizza in my mouth as quickly as possible. So guilty as charged. I still add a little bit of sourdough starter in the mix though to get that flavour to come through. Again, this recipe is more about the toppings, so feel free to use a sourdough recipe and follow it to the letter, or if you don't have a sourdough starter, then use an instant yeast recipe. I won't be offended, or just buy shop-bought pizza dough, although then you are missing out on this satisfying Play-Doh experience. But anyway, the end result should be to get yourself a nice ball of pizza dough. While those are resting, we are going to prep our toppings. So, brace yourself. While peaches are in season, I'm putting them on pizza. You might be against pineapple on pizza or love it, but either way, please trust me on this one. Peaches on pizza are amazing. We're going to peel and slice one peach, and then in a bowl, we are mixing equal parts cream cheese and gorgonzola. And finally, we can assemble our pizza. So we start off by rolling out the base and get it as thin as we possibly can. Then we want a nice thick layer of that mascarpone cream spread out all across our base. Lay out the peaches so there's at least one per slice. And finally, I'm adding some coppa slices and trying to arrange them in a nice rosette for maximum crispness. Then it's time to cook our pizza until the base is crisp and the toppings are starting to brown and caramelize nicely. Oh, look at that. Nothing like watching a satisfying fire in 30-degree heat, eh? Finish it off with a bit of optional basil, and there we have it, ready to devour. Honestly, the sweetness of the peaches, the creaminess and slight funk of that gorgonzola, and the crispy, salty, savoury ham. Oh, there's nothing better. Love it. Highly recommend. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe.